Hello friends, today in this video we'll discuss methods to deal with square roots in your competitive examination. Knowledge of square root is very important to solve various sections in your examination, be it a UPSC, SSC, bank or any other examination. So this video will be helpful for all those who are preparing for the competitive examination. As you can see, the squares of the initial 10 numbers are as displayed. You can see square of 1 is 1, 2 it's 4, 3 it's 9, 4 is 16, 5 25, 6 is 36, 7 is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. So just take the last digit. As you can see, if you get a 1, it is for 1 and also for 9. If you get a 4, it's for 2 and also for 8. If you get a 9, it's for 3, also for 7. If you get a 6, it's for 4 and also for 8. If you get a 5, it's for 5. So I've shown here. If any question is asked, what's the square root of any given number, and you have the number which has any one of these as last digit, and you have options from, if you get a 1, if you have in option you have 1 or 9. If both are available, then you have to do it. Otherwise, just simply mark 1 or 9, whichever is available. If you get a 4, you just mark 2 or 8. If you get a 9, you mark 3 and 7, and so on. So today I'll show you how to find a square root. See, there are many tricks and tips available over the internet you can view, but it's really hard to remember all these tricks during your examination. You don't have to remember a particular trick for a particular case like square root. Since there are so numerous questions, it will be very difficult for you to remember all these tricks. So I'll just show you the basic method, and this will be the lasting method for solving all your questions relating to square root. See here, square root of 25. Finding the square root, just take the number, make a line like this, and default value here will always be 2. Just mark a 2 here, and after that for 25 you have to put two numbers here. Multiplying both these numbers, you should get the answer. If you get the answer is 0, then the answer which you get here will be the square root of the given number. Like for 25, I put 2 here. It's simple, 5 into 5 is 25, so you will get the right answer as 5. In the next question, I take it for 625. See, first you have to mark a line like this. The 625 should begin from the last. You should take the last 2 digit, then the next 2, next 2 and next 2, so on. You should start from the right end of the question. So this 625, take the right end, 1 2, put a comma. So these two are a set and this one is a single set. So first you have to deal with this number. You should solve it from left. So the first number is 6. So which number, when you multiply itself by the same number, you should get the number as the same or less than the number. So here we have 6. So 2 into 2 we get a 4, and 3 into 3 we get a 9. 9 crosses 6, so we can't use 3. So 2 into 2 is 4, so we use 4. We put a 4, subtract this, 6 minus 4 we get 2. After we get a 2, the next number which you have to put here is the number should be multiplied by 2, which is kept here. So 2 into 2 we get a 4 here, and then you put the next two numbers below here, so you get 225. And which number should you multiply these two to get 225? It's 45, so you get a 0. So the square root of 625 is 25. I will show you doing one more time here, so you can see just 625. As I told you, start from the right end, two numbers. We have a 2 here, this 6. First we'll be dealing with 6, so 2 into 2 we get 4, the rest is 2. Put these two numbers down, 25. And this number, when you write here, you have to multiply it with this and write. So 2 into 2 is 4. And which number should I write it here? Which, and multiply both these numbers, you get this answer. If I get 2, you can see, if I put 42, 42 into 2 is 84, so it won't do. If I put a 3, 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12, it won't do. If I put a 4, 4 4 is 16, so the last digit itself is not dealing. So you can put a 5. If I put a 5 and a 5 here, so you can see 5 5 is a 25, 5 and 2 is left, 5 4 is a 20, and 2 is 225. So like this is the way we got this 45 here. So before solving this, make sure you remember your squares at least up to 25. 1 to 25. Squares of these numbers are very important while solving these type of questions. See the next question I have taken, 121. Same way, 121 I divided the last two as 21. 1 is remaining, so 1 into 1 is 1. Put these two, you will get 0. Put these two number down, 21. So 1 into 2 is 2. Which number which you multiply here to get the same numbers? 21. 1 into 1, 21, 0. So the answer for 121 it's 11. Same way the next question, 841. Write 841. Then select the last two numbers, then 8. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. So it will be more than 8. So we have taken 2. 2 into 2 is 4 here. Balance is 4. Take both these number down. Multiply this 2 by 2. You get a 4. And 4. And here the same number which you have to multiply twice. It's 9 here. So 9 into 9. 49 into 9 you get 441. So square root of 841 is 29. Go for bigger numbers, 9801. Same way, last two numbers you have to take. You get 98, 99 is 81, rest is 17, 17, take both this number down, 1701. So you get 9, 9 into 2 is 18, we have written 18 here. Which number you have to select? The number which you write here should come here and multiply this and you get this. So it's 9, so 189 into 9 is 1701. So square root of 9801 is 99. Same way for 10201, here I have shown, I will show it once again. 10201, take the last, divide number by 2, last 2, then 2. Here I have a 2 here it's 1, so 1 into 1 is 1, you get a 0, 0, 2, and here you should write 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 has already come and you have to write one more number here, and here you have only 2. Even if you write 0 here, multiply it by 0, you get a 0, so it won't be right. If you write a 1 here and you multiply it by 1, you get a 21, and here you have only 2. So what you have to do? You can't do anything. In this situation, you have to take a value for this as 0. Put a 0 here, and 0 will come here. And once you put a 0, you can bring down the other two numbers down. So you got a 201. Here you have 20. So 1 into 1 is 201. So you get a 0. So here the square root of 1021 is 101. This is the way you get this answer. So here you have a 6-digit number, 5-digit number 10609. So we have taken the last two, then 2, and the last digit. 1 into 1 is 1. You bought 06 here. 1 into 2 is 2, and you get a 6 here. So single digit won't be enough, so you got to put a 0. Once you put a 0 here, you have to put a 0 here also. Bring down the next 2 digit down. You get 609. So you multiply 203 into 3, you get 609. So the square root of 10609 is 103. The next number is 14161. You write the number, divide it by 2, and you get 1. 1 into 1 is 1. You get a 0. 41. 1 into 2, you put a 2. 21 into 1 is 21. You get 2061. Put these two numbers down. You have 11 here. 11 multiplied by 2 is 22. You put a 22 here. Which number which you multiply both, you should get this answer. So it's 229. So you get answer 119. So this is a basic method. Using this method you can solve any big question you get, any number of digits. As you can see, I have done it for 1002, 001, 185, 2321, 5929225. So you should not be afraid seeing the question. First thing you have to do is just see the last number. If it's a 1, so the answer should be, your answer should also have the last digit as 1. So if you have only one option in which last digit is 1, so you can blindly select the number as answer. But if you get two numbers which has a 1 and also a 9, because the square of 9 is also ending with 1, in such scenarios you have to do the sum. But this method is quite easy. Once you get understand, just practice some questions and you will get a clear understanding of this method. This is a basic and easy method you can remember. There's no trick involved. Once you master this method, it will be very easy for you to find out the square of any number. So one thing you must remember, I'll repeat it once again, make sure you are thorough with the squares of 1 to 25, because it will be very helpful in solving these type of questions. Practice more to solve it very fast. Thank you.